In this math tutorial, we'll be having a look at converting fractions, in particular converting improper fractions to mixed numbers and converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. So let's first have a look at converting improper to a mixed number. In this example, we are going to convert the fraction 14/3 into a mixed number. So our first step will be to divide the numerator with the denominator. So we're going to say 14 divided by 3, and that would give us 4 with a remainder of 2. Now, this means that we have 4 wholes and 2 equal parts of another whole. Remembering that the equal parts are all divided into 3, so we have 3 equal parts that makes one whole, but we only have 2 of those parts that remain. Next, we are going to write the mixed number, and we're going to do it like follow. We're going to say 4 2/3, 2/3. Why do we say 4 2/3? Because we have to remember that we have 2 equal parts of 3, and that the denominator given to us in the original improper fraction, 14/3, was 3. So we need to write that remainder on top of the original denominator. So 14/3 converted into a mixed number will give us 4 2/3, or 4 2/3. Let's convert the fraction 20/4 into a mixed number, or 20 quarters. Well, first, again, we're going to divide the numerator with the denominator. That would be 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So we have 5 wholes only and no remainder. So this means that when we write the mixed number, it will only be the number. It's going to be 5, because we only have 5 wholes. So that is the answer. Converting a mixed number to an improper fraction works a little bit different. Let's convert the fraction 3 4/5, or 3 4/5, into an improper fraction. Our first step is to multiply the whole number with the denominator and then add the numerator. So we're going to say 3 times 5, because 5 is our denominator, will equal 15. There we've multiplied the whole number with the denominator. Our next step will be to add the numerator to the number. 15 plus 4, 4 is the numerator, equals 19. So there we added the numerator. And then finally we write the improper fraction. So we have 19 parts over 5, because 5 is the denominator. We write the result from step 1 onto the original denominator given to us, which in this case was 5. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as link to the PDF explanation in the description box below.